Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Heyo.
Here today to show you 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS with a 396 big block with power brakes and power steering. Has an automatic transmission. Excuse me, red with the black interior and a black top. Excuse me. The paint looks very nice on it. The top looks real nice on it. All the chrome around the bumpers and window trim is real clean, free of any kind of pitting or rust. Pretty much just like it was from the factory inside. Nothing on the dashboard's been changed. All its original equipment in the interior. Big block convertible Chevelle SS. Come and check it out.
All right, let's do what we do best. Take it down the road.
Okay. 1970 Chevelle SS 396 big block, automatic car, convertible. All right, we got a good RPM gauge, we got a good speedometer. Other than that, we don't have any. Oh, we do got a good fuel gauge, temperature gauge, volt gauge is working. All the gauges work. I don't know about this whole thing. It works. It makes noise. Sounds good.
Does sound good.
The steering feels good. The steering, the alignment and everything in the front's real nice.
Okay.
It's just real nice. Brakes feel good.
Good. Everything's checking out. Come see us, Skyway Classics. Give me a minute, we'll pull it back to the shop and we'll take a look underneath. Thanks a lot.